Hello everyone! As you can see today, I'm going to decorate the wall behind me using our artificial plants to make our room more creative and have a better artistic atmosphere. So let's do it! As you can see, first we need to measure the height. We can make a mark here, 2 meters. This is the height. And now, we're going to measure the length. Please give me a hand, thank you. So, we can make a mark here, 3 meters. And I think that's enough. So next, we are going to do something with this grid panel to cut it into the exact size to fit on the wall. So let's do it. 1 meter, that's enough. And now we can get rid of the extra part. And now we are going to fix the grid panel onto the wall with nails. Hammer please. Thank you. Fix the panel with nails. The second nail, fix it onto the wall. Last nail. So next, we're going to cut the box open. This is artificial plant. So as you can see, this is 24 centimeter by 25. So next, we're going to put these panels together. And in order to save more time, I already made one, mixing them together. As you can see, these are the fasteners. We press them together like this one. Here, as you can see, this is the hedge we've already done. And now we are going to fix the hedge onto the panel using this tie. We can use scissors to get rid of the extra time. Just like this. So as you can see, this is the final demonstration. Plants, hedge. And these hedges are removable. That means you can get rid of it and attach it to whatever you want.